This video covers using Google Earth as the graphical interface to define the geographic limits of a chart collection. The chart collection form has a set of text boxes that can be used to define the limits of a chart collection. However, the set of latitudes and longitudes must be manually entered. I had wanted to provide a graphical interface to set these values, but the programming effort to accomplish that was a little too daunting. Then I hit on the idea of using Google Earth as that interface. I have just created a chart collection called Delaware Bay, and now I want to set the geographic limits of the collection in the text boxes in the bottom right corner of the form. First, I start Google Earth and then zoom the display to cover the area for which I want to create a chart collection. In this case, that area is Delaware Bay. Then I use the Google Earth Polygon tool to create a shape that covers the area I want for this collection. I name this shape Delaware Bay and save it to a folder I'm using for Google Earth files. I save the shape as a KML file, not a KMZ file. Then I can delete this shape from my places in Google Earth. Then I go back to ChartManager to finish creating the Delaware Bay chart collection. Below the text boxes for the collection area, I click on the Set Area from KML button. This generates a file selection dialog box, and I select the Delaware Bay KML file I just created. Now the collection is ready to be generated. I click the Find Members button, and the ChartManager uses the NOAA RNC catalog to find all charts that cover any part of the selected area. In this case, 3 of the selected charts are out of date, and I download the updated versions. The downloads are complete, and the program generates the chart collection by copying 32 charts to the folder I created for this collection. I save the collection data and then exit ChartManager to start OpenCPN. In the OpenCPN options form, I add the folder for the Delaware Bay collection to the chart directories list. Then I create a chart group for this collection and add the Delaware Bay folder to that group. Now when I activate the Delaware Bay group, I have a full set of charts for the Delaware Bay in OpenCPN. The area limits from a KML file feature in the ChartManager program applies only to no RNC and ENC charts.